So now we're going to add our zipper pocket. Now we need to add it into the center of this welt on each side. The zipper's facing the front. Now wrap that around. You can use those two seams to get the center. And pin. It's a bit fiddly, but I get those. You can feel it under there. Okay, pin the second side. Make sure you're getting it nice and flat and not bunched up. Okay, everything looks good. Now we're going to go across to the machine and stitch those welts into place. Okay, now we're going to top stitch these welts using our full 1 centimetre 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Pulling it out to the side, keeping everything out of the way. Squishing everything to get it out of the way. Second side. Okay, so now we're ready to attach this back section to the back of our wallet. So we're just going to run some double-sided tape along here to stick it in place. I go about to where that strap is. Where's my scissors? Same on this side. Set that right back in there, lining those edges. Sure that all sits good. I'd stick a couple of clips on there as well, just to hold it. Now do the same over this side. Double checking everything. Okay, all good. So now we're going to go over to the machine and we're going to top stitch down here on top of that previous top stitching, as well as 3 mils or 1/8 of an inch from the side. And the same on this side, 3 mils, 1/8 of an inch, and then 6 mils, 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to stop just before I get to that strap. You can stitch over it if you feel confident your machine is going to stitch it. That's fine, but on this one I'm going to just stop right there. Okay, I'm going to squish everything out of the road and top stitch on top of the previous top stitching. Just keep pressing everything out of the road, squishing it. It won't hurt it to squish it. I'm just going to do 1/8 of an inch. 3 mils. Get these threads out of the road. Go do the other side. This one's a little bit more tricky, getting everything squashed out of the way. I'm going to start with the 3 mil one on this one just to get it all secured. It's looking like a wallet. Ooh. We're nearly done. Okay, so that's our stitching done. Well, there is this bottom pocket here which I just leave open. That's the one behind here, because I find it goes that deep into the wallet, nothing slips out and underneath that. So I just leave it as is, but if that bothers you, you may want to very awkwardly slip stitch that shut. But otherwise, in all the years that I've been using my wallet, I've never had any receipts disappear and come out the bottom, so I just leave it. Alright, so now we're going to finish our wallet by adding our corners. I'm going to put some paper underneath because I'm a very messy gluer. I usually get more on me or on my work surface than anywhere else. It's very hard to squeeze it out of this little skinny nozzle. Make sure you're putting it the right way. Now I like to put a bit of something underneath, a bit of scrap interfacing on top. Just hammer those shut gently. Don't want to hammer too much or too hard, otherwise it just flattens it out of shape. Okay, do the second side. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'll just leave that to dry, and then you'll have a nice finished wallet. Attach your straps and away you go.